Hi, and welcome to this review of Kling AI. Imagine turning a simple text description into a stunning video in seconds, or creating an entire product catalog of videos in under an hour. That's what we're exploring today. Kling AI has become one of the most talked about AI video creation tools, and for good reason. What makes it stand out? Well, first, it's incredibly versatile. You can create videos from text descriptions, turn still images into videos, extend existing videos, and even sync lip movements with audio. But here's what's really cool. You can control camera movements, add special effects, and edit multiple elements all in one place. Have you ever wondered how businesses are creating so many professional-looking videos so quickly? Companies like W for Women have used Kling AI to produce 200 product videos in just 45 minutes. That's the kind of efficiency we're talking about. And speaking of efficiency, the platform offers different AI models, Kling 2.0 Master and Kling 1.6, each designed for specific needs and quality levels. But what about the actual process? It's surprisingly straightforward. You start by choosing your creation method, text to video or image to video. Then, you select your model, set your duration, and describe what you want. The AI takes care of the rest. Want to make changes? The multi-elements editor lets you add, swap, or delete video content using simple text and image inputs. What about image editing? Kling AI's got that covered too. You can inpaint, add or edit elements, expand images to create new scenes, and even restyle images with simple prompts. And for e-commerce, the virtual try-on feature is changing how online fashion retailers showcase their products. Here's something interesting. Users are reporting significant cost savings. One fashion brand, Fashor, cut their production costs by 90% while scaling their video catalog ads. But what about the quality? The platform supports up to 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, which is perfect for most social media and marketing needs. Getting started is easy. You get free credits daily to test the waters, and if you like what you see, you can purchase more credits or opt for a subscription plan. The platform even offers API access for developers who want to integrate these capabilities into their own applications. Now, being an AI review, we should mention that some users have reported occasional variations in output quality and some customer support response delays. However, the recent updates to Kling 2.0 Master and Colors 2.0 have shown significant improvements in both image and video generation quality. Ready to explore Kling AI further? You can find this AI review and more detailed information about Kling AI at jimcarter.me. Thanks for watching.